Wait, what? All right, let's figure that one out. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Jermaine Morgan TV. I am Jermaine Morgan, and I thank you guys for tuning in today. So as you heard at the beginning of this video, that lick was crazy. This song is called All Things New by Tye Tribbett. If you haven't heard this record, do yourself a favor and go listen to it. This is Thaddaeus Tribbet playing bass. I've been a fan of Thaddaeus for years in terms of his approach, the way he navigates these songs, especially in the gospel, this soulful kind of neo-soul-ish type thing that Thaddaeus has contributed to gospel. And I won't spend too much time on that because I've definitely stole some stuff from Thaddaeus over the years because he's such a great bass player. But listening to this particular song and hearing that one line, I wanted to come on here and break this line down for some of you guys who might have heard it and did just what I did. Like, wait a minute, what was that? I want to show you guys exactly what it is he's doing. Now, this song is in the key of E flat, and he played this lick over the 5, using it as a turnaround to get back to the meat and potatoes of the groove, what I call it, getting back to the 1. And now let's listen to it once again so we can hear what he done in context and see if we can work it out. I love those octaves. Yeah. Oh, no, it's through. No, you can't. So that is, and all he's doing here is literally using fourths. So he's going 1, 4, flat 7, literally straight down. If you notice, he has like an octave or something on his bass. If I'm not mistaken, it sounds like, you know, the Boss OC or something like that. I can't remember which one it was. I had one back in the day, and I sold it, especially listening to this record and hearing how beefy and how monstrous that 4-string sound. But anyway, neither here nor there. So again, he's going straight down in 4th. So that's 1, 4, flat 7. Right? If you were barring that, you can get the whole thing. Right? And then he's going 5, 1. And then he comes back and grab that 4, 5, minor 3rd, back to the 1. So, and that's literally the whole line. But the way he used it in context, that's the thing to me that made it so cool. And it shows that you really don't have to take something extravagant to create a really, really great line. You could take a simple concept. Again, that. Let's hear it now in context. Yeah. Oh, no, it's through. No, you can't. All right, so we hear how he used that in context to get back to the groove of the song, so to speak. So it just, again, it speaks to the fact that you don't have to come up with something super, super crazy. You can take a simple concept, and the way that you use that concept in context, it makes all the difference in the world. You don't always have to reinvent the wheel and try to come up with something like the fastest lick or anything like that. It's sometimes just being super, super tasteful with a simple idea will do well enough. So hopefully this explains or sheds some light for some of you guys that were trying to figure out what he did in this particular line. Now, if you transcribe this song, there's so much good stuff throughout this whole song that you will find helpful. And because the song is so different, I think it'll give you some context of some things you can add in different places as well. So I encourage you, if you're listening to this song, pull your bass out and actually play with it. Actually try to pull this stuff apart that you're hearing here, because it's not going to do anything but add some great stuff to your arsenal as well. Listen, that's pretty much it for this video today. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me and checking out this lick breakdown. If there's anything else you want me to try to break down, be sure to drop it in the comments. If I have a second, I'll try to check that out, and just leave a comment and let me know what you thought about this video. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a huge favor, press that subscribe button, ring that bell so you know when I'm dropping videos like this, and you can also catch me at the times I go live. Last but not least, if you haven't been over to JermaineMorgan.net, be sure to check out some of the content that I have over there, especially for you bass players. Tons of resources for you to help you grow in your playing and all that good stuff. So anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.